well, okay. He's convinced that an ex-girlfriend made him kulam. Like, there's all of a sudden there was this bowl of salt with garlic in it, and me and my friends and helpers before, like, ano to? Like, bakit may ganyan? Ba't may salt? Bakit may bowl of salt with garlic? And then sinabi ng isang katulong, ay, pinalagay dyan kasi daw baka may nang kulam. So, parang pang-antay kulam.
Matapos ang controversial screenshot post ni Ellen Adarna tungkol sa pambababae ni Derek Ramsey, isa-isa pa ring sinagot ni Ellen ang tanong ng kanyang mga followers sa Instagram. Ilan dito ay ang pagbabahagi ni Ellen na kinulam daw si Derek ng kanyang ex-girlfriend, bagay na di pinaniniwalaan ng actress. Panoorin ang ilan pa sa mga pahayag ni Ellen Adarna.
He blames everyone but himself. Yeah. He was able to convince his friends and people that it's my postpartum. And there's also one, well, okay. He's convinced that an ex-girlfriend made him kulam. Like, there's all of a sudden there was this bowl of salt with garlic in it, and me and my friends and helpers before, like, ano to? Like, bakit may ganyan? Ba't may salt? Bakit may bowl of salt with garlic? And then sinabi ng isang katulong, ay, pinalagay dyan kasi daw baka may nang kulam. So, parang pang-antay kulam. So, blame it on the kulam. Vexed. Witchcraft. To be honest, I know, because during the relationship in the beginning, I was made to believe that this side chick was just a friend, and then yeah, that what I felt was not real, that I was just acting jealous or crazy. So when I found out about it 3 weeks ago, I felt validated, like, oh my god, justice, oh my god, it's real, oh my god, I was right all along. Imagine all these years I felt like parang, diba, parang I was gaslighted. So yeah, I was right, my intuition is right, and you know what, the truth, no matter what, comes out in so many ways. So there, lumabas din. Okay, nandito yun. Baka explain, may di ba? Hindi kapon? Huh? So anyway, paka-explain kung ano yan sa mga may alam ng mga white magic, black magic, whatever. Yang mabukang dun ko ito time. So dungan ani nga time sa toyo garlic sa garlic salt niya. Natoy time nga gipa-blessing ang balay. So the next day siya dito yung nag-kick out. Kina-issue ang BPO. So insang evil spirit.
Siya.
Natawa na naman dito. Nagkatawa dun dito na halda. Susato po siya dito, evil spirit kay gahapon, gapa-blessing na, nagpabutang adtong asin o kuan. Huwag tangan siya kalit. No, that's not true. No one is buttered. Well, according to my reliable sources, mga ex na that side chick has always been there, like decades na, nakailang girlfriends na si Derek, nandyan siya. So, yeah, friends daw, friends. Ako pa yung blinim ng mga netizens nung last real girlfriend ni Derek, na ako daw yung third party, but no, it's not me. It could be her because hello, tagal na silang friends, right? And meron parang naging side chick pala nito dati pa. So, yeah, but I guess side chicks will always be side chicks. They'll never get chosen. You can just bitch about it. But I wouldn't be surprised if nandyan siya ngayon. Dai, about the Tia and Gaza thing, I never lied, I never denied. I just did not talk about the relationship at the time because I wasn't ready. But I never denied, never lied. I just made some comments about kung sa itong billionaire, kung nakakatawa. And about the father of Elias, no? Why? Diba? Ba't mo minamaliit? So if we're gonna talk about billionaire kanang vibes ka to si J. Aldamas, nagka-feel pa ko ato yung billions kay he would charter a private plane for Elias during COVID just to see his son. Let's talk about private planes. Diba? If you wanna talk about billionaires, it's private planes. Well, itong isa, si Derek, he lied. He denied. And we were broken up na that time and he said none of it was true.
Never mind, are you avoiding me? If so, just say so. Familiar ba sa'yo yan? Real talk lang. Nakakatakot yung mga ganyang klaseng tao, no? Kasi kayang-kaya nilang ipakita sa'yo at sabihin sa buong mundo kung gaano kanya kamahal habang patuloy pa rin siyang nakikipag-usap at nag-e-entertain ng ibang tao. At makikita mo rin na may mga tao talagang willing maging seasonal friend, side chick, kabit, or kung ano pa man na gusto mong itawag sa kanila. Yung kahit alam nilang merong partner yung tao, pumapayag pa rin sila sa ganong klaseng sitwasyon, hoping na in the end, sila yung pipiliin over the original one. And this cycle of cheating never stops kasi may mga taong pumapayag pa ulit-ulit sa ganitong klaseng sistema. And remember, learn when to walk away. Diyan na papasok yung kahalagahan ng self-love, self-respect, at kahit gaano mo kamahal yung isang tao, kapag niloko ka na, there's no second chance. Kasi alam mo sa sarili mo yung worth mo. Proven na over and over again na kahit gaano ka kaganda, kayaman, kasexy, kamaalaga at mapagmahal, at kahit nasa iyo na ang lahat, kung gusto kong lokohin ang partner mo, hindi magdadalawang isip yan. Kaya make sure na kung papasok ka sa isang relasyon, siguraduhin mo naman na magtitira ka para sa sarili mo, para kung dumating man yung araw na kailangan mong umalis, kaya mo.